Today we are going to discuss about alkene. Today we are discuss about alkene. The main remembering point of alkene is nothing but it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkene, not alkane. Alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of unsaturated hydrocarbon? That's meaning is carbon-carbon atoms either bonded with double bond or triple bond. In the case of alkene, you must remember this point. Carbon-carbon must bonded with double bond. So first point in alkene right here, alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. It has only double bond. It has only double bond between carbon atoms. The meaning of this point is you must insert double bond between two carbon atoms. All of us we know that carbon show tetravalency, so we write here in the form of that. So first point is alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. It has only double bond between carbon atoms. In the another way, we also write it has one sigma. It has one sigma. You must write the symbol of sigma like this. It has one sigma and one pi. The symbol of pi is this. It has one sigma and one pi bond between two carbon atoms. The next point is alkene is known by another name of olefins. You must remember this point for competitive exam. Alkene is known by another name of olefins. The next point right here is you must add the suffix ene in the last three letters of any compound of alkene. So the last three letters of alkene must be the last three letters of alkene must be ene. In the another word, we say that you must add suffix suffix ene to any compound of any compounds of alkene. Next point of alkene is the hybridization of carbon in any compounds of alkene must be sp2. The meaning of sp2 is 1 s orbital and 2 p orbitals. The next point is the general formula of alkene. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. In this formula, C represent carbon, H2 represent hydrogen, and N represent for number of carbon atoms. By using this formula, we find out the compounds of alkene. So first of all, we operate the formula of alkene to find out the compounds of alkene. So in the next point, we find the compounds of alkene by using this formula. If we take the values of n is equal to 1, then we operate alkene as such CnH2n. So we replace the value of n using 1. We finally get C multiplied by 1, H2 multiplied by 1. So we get C multiplied 1 C, H2 multiplied 1 CH2. So the marking point here is, if we put the value of n is equal to n 1, arbitrarily we get